Welcome to problem 2, part C. Now for this one, we're going to be using the Laplace to solve it. And we're going to input the initial conditions. So let's get our colors out. And I just want to show you. So we're going to take this and put it into the Laplace with the initial conditions and then bring it back out with the inverse Laplace. So if I put in the Laplace, what am I going to get? Well, first let's rewrite what we had. So we had right here a dot 1 equals to negative 3 over 10 times a sub 1 plus 1 over 18 times a sub 2 plus 1 over 5 times a sub 3. Now we're going to switch color, and we had a sub 2 is going to be equal to 3 over 10 a sub 1 minus 2 over 9 a sub 2. And now I find something interesting over here. Here it's 1 over 18 a sub 2. And here the tank 2 gets... What's getting out of tank 2? 5 and 5, that's 10, so that's 1 over 9. 1 over 9, no, sorry. 20 over 9 is getting out of tank 2. 20 over 90. That's the same thing as 2 over 9. So that's good. But then, coming from A2, we have 5 over 90. Which is 1 over 18. No, everything's looking okay. Plus 1 over 10 a sub 3. And then we have one last one right here. A dot 3 is equal to 0 a sub 1 plus 1/6 a sub 2 minus 3/10 a sub 3. Well, now that we have this, we're going to input this into the Laplace. And they give us the conditions here. So what are we going to get? Well, the derivative of a sub 1, we're going to get s times big A1 of s minus small a sub 1 of 0. And they just say to leave it at that. And then on this right-hand side, we're going to have minus 3 over 10 times the big A sub 1 of s plus 1 over 18 times big A sub 2 of s plus 1 over 5 times A sub 3 of s. Now we're going to do the same thing for the second one, so it's really going to be the same thing. And the third one's also going to be like this. So now let me get back to this color. We're going to have 3 over 10 a sub 1 s minus 2 over 9 a sub 2 s plus 1 over 10 a sub 3 s. The last one is going to be this purple one, and it's going to be 0, so we really don't have anything here. 0 plus, here we're going to have 1 over 6 big A sub 2 s and minus 3 over 10 big A sub 3 s. And now that we have this, all we want to do, these are our initial conditions. These are our initial conditions. So initial conditions, they're going to be right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to solve for the big A of s and then put it back into an inverse Laplace. So to solve for a sub s, what are we going to do? Well, in each one, the first one's going to have to be solved for a1, the second one's going to have to be solved for a2, and the third one's going to have to be solved for a3. So really, this is probably a MATLAB job. So I'll see you in MATLAB.